Hey everyone, welcome back to the Modern Workers channel. Have you ever dreamed of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and embracing the freedom and flexibility of freelancing? You're not alone. By 2027, the majority of the US workforce is expected to be freelancers. Today, I'm going to share my journey from a regular 9-to-5 job to a successful freelance career, along with some tips and tricks to help you make the transition smoothly. Let's dive in. Assess your skills and niche. First things first, let's assess your skills and niche. Take a moment to identify your marketable skills and areas of expertise. What are you really good at? Once you have a list, research potential niches and their demand in the freelance market. The key is to determine which skills and niches align best with your interests and goals. This will help you focus your efforts and stand out in a crowded market. Build your portfolio. Next up, it's time to build your portfolio. A strong portfolio is crucial to attracting clients. Include a diverse range of projects that showcase your skills and expertise. And don't forget the benefits of creating a personal website or online presence to display your work. This not only makes you look professional, but also makes it easier for potential clients to find you. Establish your brand and online presence. Personal branding is everything in the freelance world. Create a consistent brand image across all platforms, from your website to your social media profiles. Networking and engaging with others in your niche can also help build your brand and attract potential clients. Remember, your brand is a reflection of who you are and what you offer, so make it count. Secure your first clients. So, you've got your skills, portfolio, and brand in place. It's time to secure your first clients. Explore various platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even cold emailing to find freelance work. Craft effective proposals and pitches that highlight your unique value proposition. And remember, building relationships and delivering quality work is key to long-term success. Don't be discouraged by initial rejections. Persistence is key. Manage your finances and business. Managing your finances and business is a crucial part of freelancing. Set competitive rates and be prepared to manage income fluctuations. Track your expenses, invoice clients, and don't forget about paying taxes. Creating a business plan and setting long-term goals can help keep you on track. Financial stability will give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on your work. Develop a work-life balance. Finally, let's talk about developing a work-life balance. Freelancing comes with its own set of challenges like inconsistent work and potential burnout. Prioritize self-care and set boundaries to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your business success. Take breaks, set a schedule, and make time for activities you enjoy. It may seem daunting at first, but trust me, the rewards of freelancing are worth it. As the saying goes, choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. We have included some additional videos related to the topic and some tools you may want to try. Check our description box to learn more. Let's keep the conversation going. Again, this is the Modern Workers channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.